Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable dark mode on Gmail. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable dark mode on Gmail, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Gmail. And after opening your Gmail, next, I want you to tap this 3 lines at the top left in order to open your menu. And here at the menu, I want you to scroll down, and then you will now be able to see your settings, so just go and tap it. And then tap General Settings. And after that, you will now be able to see the theme option, which is where you can change your Gmail theme, so just go and tap it. And then for the last step, just select the dark option to completely turn your Gmail theme into dark mode. And then there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, your Gmail will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.